Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a RAM Promaster key. It's crucial to understand upfront that programming a RAM Promaster key is not a do-it-yourself task you can perform at home. These advanced vehicles require specialized computer equipment and specific technical expertise. This means you cannot program the key yourself using simple onboard methods or generic instructions found online, making professional assistance absolutely necessary for success. To successfully program your RAM Promaster key, you will need to consult a qualified professional. Your best options are an experienced automotive locksmith or your local authorized RAM dealership. Both of these professionals possess the necessary diagnostic equipment, proprietary software, and training to correctly link a new key to your vehicle's sophisticated security system, ensuring it functions perfectly and securely. When you prepare for your key programming appointment, remember to bring all existing keys with you, even if they are currently working. Often, all keys, both old and new, must be programmed or reprogrammed simultaneously during the same session. If your vehicle is still drivable, taking it to the locksmith or dealer can significantly reduce costs compared to an on-site service call. The actual programming process usually takes less than 1 hour to complete. It's very important to be aware that any keys not physically present during the programming session might be deleted from your vehicle's system and could become permanently unusable. Additionally, certain new keys may require a specific pre-coding step before the main programming procedure can even begin. Most RAM Promaster vehicles are designed to support a maximum of up to 4 programmed keys at any given time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.